Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little haul for you guys. As you guys probably all know, there was the Sephora Appreciation sale, the VIB sale or whatever, and I picked up a few goodies. I have a bag. So I'm just gonna jump right in and let you guys know what I picked up for the sale. The first thing I grabbed was the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Now, I've tried a few products by Huda Beauty, but I've never tried an eyeshadow palette, so I'm quite excited. I did play with it a couple times already, and I personally really love it. I've heard some mixed reviews on this, but the colors are stunning. I mean, I'll do a few swatches here. I'll do this matte red, we'll do this pink, we'll do this rose gold, we'll do this gold, and we'll do this shiny shade here. You can see the colors all on my hand. Do a few. I mean, look at the pigment on that. I don't understand why other people were giving so much hate to this palette, because I think it's beautiful. I've done a few different looks with it, and I'm quite happy. So yes, that is the first goodie I picked up. Next up, I picked up the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sugar. I've heard so many people say such amazing things about this palette, and I am wearing it today. It is beautiful. I've already kind of made a bit of a mess of it, but seriously, it's beautiful. I mean, I can wear all of these shades. Usually when you get a highlighter palette, you can only wear like 2 of the shades. All of these I can wear. They're so beautiful. The way they glow on the skin, they don't emphasize my texture or anything. Oh, it's beautiful. So glad I picked that up. All right, the next goodie in the bag I am so excited about. It is something I am wearing on my eyes right now. I didn't do like a super crazy look with it. It's the first time I played with it was today. Ooh. It is the new Pat McGrath Bronzed Seduction palette. Look at the artwork on this box. Oh my god. It comes like all the other ones. It's got the leaf with all the names in there. It's just a black palette. It's got my fingerprints all over it already. On the back, it's the same gold. Wait until you see. Oh my goodness. These shades are stunning. They're so gorgeous. I'm gonna do some swatches for y'all, because oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. So I'm just doing a few swatches here so you guys can kind of, I'm not going to swatch the entire palette because I still have a few other products to get through, and I don't want this video to be like really long. Look, oh my goodness, look at them. the way they shine and sparkle and glimmer. Oh my God. I love her palettes. I have the blue one. I've got this little pink one up here, and I've got her highlighting palette. Oh, I was so excited when I was able to pick that up, especially with getting 20% off. I mean, we know that her shit is expensive, so if I can get 20% off, yes, you know I'm gonna get it. So excited for that palette though. I will be filming a get ready with me featuring this palette really soon, so don't forget to stay tuned for that. So I'm getting down to the bottom. The next thing I picked up is by MAC. It is the False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. Volume blah blah. I have not used it yet. I love the packaging on it. And the wand looks really nice. I love these kinds of wands. And I love a good mascara, so I'm really excited for that. I'm dropping things. And I also picked up a travel size of the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, so I thought I would pick up this little guy just to try. I love the frosted bottle. I don't know if it's glass or like a hard plastic. It feels really nice. If I end up loving this, I'll probably end up buying the big one. And then I did redeem 100 points, and I got this little travel guy of the Tatcha Deep Cleanse face wash. I love this stuff. I was going to buy the big bottle, but they were all sold out. So I redeemed 100 points and got this little guy. And then I also asked if they had any samples, because if you don't ask if they have samples when you're shopping in Sephora, they won't give them to you. So I got a few little samples. But yeah, anyways, those are the products that I chose to pick up for the sale. And they are having a Labor Day sale going on right now. So I may have a few more other goodies coming. And when they get here, I'll let you guys know what I picked up from that. But anyways, if you like these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, hit the bell. Then you can be dinged when I upload. Anyways, guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of products you guys purchased during the sale. If you guys got any of the same things I did. If you have any of the products that I picked up, let me know if you love them or hate them. And yeah, until next time, guys, have a great night.